Hello, my name is Samiksha Sharma. My topic is Steel Building, Cruise Terminal, Qingdao, China. Architects Jing Studio, CCDI, Majao Studio. Area 59,920 meter square. Year 2015. Manufactures Novelis Thai Bank Glass. Steel Structure Engineer Tan Bai Bang Bang Chao Zheng Fen. Construction Drawings Qingdao Yang Tang Design Firm. Concept. This project inspiration of the architectural came from the scene, which is famous in Chirando, the city of ceiling as well as row of pitched roof from Chirando historical architecture. To further express the mechanical beauty, the steel structure is exposed on the exterior without curtain walls, so that the structure from become the most powerful language of the facade. The interior sprung roof reveals the main structure as possible as it can, so that passengers are still able to read the structural logic and mechanical beauty of the architecture. The load distribution of building. The load distribution frame is integrated in the exterior panel of the building in order to free up space. Long span steel trusses were designed to support the superstructure. Load-bearing elements are separated from the system which make up the envelope and internal partition. That red arrow shows the load distribution through both sides. Green arrow shows downward the load of the building. This outer steel structure load distribution downwards the foundation. This is outer structure facade of building and show the load of the different stories of building. It shows different parts of the steel structure by through the section of building. It is showing the side work images which shows the real side of steel sections. The steel sections used. Structure unit. The unit logic of the steel structure under stress conducts two-street comparison named X-type structure unit and T-type structure unit in two different ways according to different condition of the steel structure system. For these two stress body, we firstly conducted the structural system designed on the overall stress condition of the building and then a form structure analyzed on the stress condition of the nodes of achieve reasonable stress condition. X type of structure unit. Structure stress unit X staggers the construction unit bed and generate a good stress direction. This results from that fact the angles between unit transfer and gravity part of the roof into horizontal. In this way, the entirely remain horizontal. These images show the real sizes and shapes of steel section which is used in construction site. This shows roofing. Through the decomposition of the roof and the setting of nodes, the connection and the layer between the different nodes and different parts is revealed. The steel section used in building as the first image shows roof. The second one is basic module. The third is stress direction. And fourth is hinge joint. And fifth is rigid connection. First, terminal function. Second, angle balancing. Third, self-balancing. Fourth, swinging column. and they all are showing through the section. These steel section size table shows the various type of steel types, ASTM designation, minimum yield stress, forms and remarks. The architecture views. Citizens of Qingdao have a strong sense of belonging to the sea, and this sense of belonging can be seen in every part of public activity in the coastal city. Pier 6, where the cruise terminal located, is surrounded by the blue water and has the inherent advantage of developing a recreation park. With the complementary commercial functions and landscape, permanent and temporary exhibition at the arrival and departure hall, the multifunctionality of the cruise terminal ensured the liveliness and richness of the coastal city can be sustained. Qingdao's prevailing northwest wind in the winter and superior landscape conditions at the site south bay. At the north facade on the third floor, there are a few outdoor sightseeing platforms for sea viewing. This is site plan and sections. This is ground floor plan. This is first floor plan. This is second floor plan.